Maxted Pratt, welcome to today's assembly, and we're going to be talking about celebrating differences.
As you can see, there are different coloured beads on the board. They represent how similar we all are, but have something about us that make us unique, and we all come together to make a beautiful world.
Here is a video about a woman called Rosa Parks and what happened to her.
During the 1950s, buses were segregated. White passengers sat in the front, while black passengers sat in the back. One day, a brave woman named Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat to a white passenger. When she disobeyed, she was arrested and sent to jail. Her courage led to the Montgomery bus boycott in 1955. A boycott is when people stop using a service in order to create change. During the Montgomery bus boycott, people who supported Rosa decided to stop riding buses and walk instead. This gained the attention of American lawmakers. Bus segregation was soon outlawed in 1956.
Last Tuesday, people posted on social media a black screen to show their support to people who are being treated unfairly.
Can you name 3 things that make you different from your friends? How many did you find?
We found 2. Freya's got brown eyes, whereas I've got blue eyes.
And Eve is a lot taller than me.
Even though we're different doesn't mean we can't be friends. Here is a video.
Goodness, I love your earrings.
Then, where did you get yours from?
I got mine from...
Hi!
Hi.
Where are you going?
She doesn't even have her ears pierced.
She's so weird.
I know.
Mum, can you pick me up? They're being really mean. This is what should have happened.
Oh my goodness, I love your new earrings.
Where did you get yours from?
I got them from...
Hi guys! Hi! I want to go to lunch.
Oh, it's such new chips!
And remember, stay alert and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Treat others as you would like to be treated.
Okay, fine. You go. And we usually have to record this like 70 times.
Yeah, I'll do that.
At this moment, I realized I died.